Hello, fellow Rangers. It's Blue Patron 92 here. Welcome to Review Fayo. So today, or tonight, because it's 8 o'clock at night, 8 p.m. ish. So today, or tonight, anyway, we're having a look of Doctor Who a new sonic screwdriver, which is the 14th Doctor sonic screwdriver. I got it from mail like some days ago, one day ago. It's new and neat and great design of sonic screwdriver. You see detail. There's a claw right here, which extends like this. You see right there, like that. This is claw. It was some reference to a previous the Doctor sonic screwdriver, which is Matt Smith, like the claw part. And this one, my nose itches. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, this part right here, it is a reference from 9th and 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver. And the bottom part is also a reference to the 11th Doctor sonic screwdriver, which is pretty unique and pretty good actually. It's a part of this sonic screwdriver. It holds very well on palm of my hand, and the silver looks a bit shiny. You can tell the reflect the light like this. At the button right here, you can barely see. There's a Gallifreyan a symbol right here on the silver button, like there, right there. If you could tell. And the mirror and this top part here and here. You see, show you with the sound effects and the feature. A feature. You press the whole button. Press this button like this. And it goes like this. See? The light is light blue color, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and nice. Ignore my mother, okay? Just focus on me, okay? Of my review. You pull up like this, like so. It goes up and down. You see 2 dots right there? Watch.
Yeah. Trash can one in the backyard. Down there.
If you go press this button a few times. It's supposed to have a secret sound or something. And it blinks like twice. Like Garfield, honey.
I haven't done it. You think I took the trash can to the road?
Garfield is stopping by. He saw
Oh, I don't know.
the fluffy tail went by. Garfield. Can you say hello? Hmm? Hmm.
It's gonna be picked up far at the road, yeah.
So,
Okay.
So, I'm gonna show you the manual of the screwdriver. Put it down right here in front of me. This is my manual right here. It says right here. It says the BBC Doctor Who 14th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. If you can see the picture, you have to twist it. You see a berry compartment. You put bun berries. I think it's double A bun berries on the sides like this right here. And if you had a normal screwdriver to remove Garfield, to remove this part and to put these in, when you're done, put this back into place and put this part back. Put it back right here, like it clips, like snaps itself. And your bun berries install. And it sounds so great. I mean, listen to it. This is a buzzing sound. It's quiet buzzing sound a little bit. You go up like this, it makes sound loud. Listen. So over, Casper, I mean Garfield, can you move your tail? I'm trying to finish review here. Kitty. Garfield, get your tail out of the way. So anyway, I apologize. Garfield's trying interrupt my review of this. Kitty. So overall, what do I think about this? Actually, I totally like this. Like, totally love it. Absolutely love it. Like, hands down. This is I like this one better than the 13th Doctor Sonic and the 12th Doctor's second Sonic screwdriver I've got in my past years. Garfield, can you go somewhere else? So I'll give this 14th Doctor Sonic screwdriver 10 out of 10. That's a plus. If you want to buy Sonic screwdriver like this on Amazon, go get it and tell me what you think on the comments below. So I guess this is the end of review video for tonight, and I apologize for being late because I just got up like not too long ago. But hey, thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. As always, to the moving out and peace. Bye. Never get tired of it.